Download, install, and run Ubuntu 22.04 on a VirtualBox, a popular virtualization platform. First things first, go to the official Ubuntu website, then navigate to the download section and select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, that is long-term support, and the appropriate architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, and simply download it. Next, go to virtualbox.org and download the latest version of VirtualBox for your operating system, that is, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install VirtualBox. After you've downloaded the VirtualBox, open VirtualBox, then click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name it Ubuntu 22.04 and select the type as Linux and version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Allocate RAM at least 2 GB recommended and create a new virtual hardbox. Next step is to select the newly created virtual machine and click Start. When prompted, select the Ubuntu 22.04 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Follow the Ubuntu installer prompts, choose language, keyboard, and installation type. Then set up user account and password. Now restart the virtual machine after installation completes. Log into Ubuntu 22.04 and install VirtualBox guest additions for better integration. Adjust screen resolution and other settings as needed. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded, installed, and run Ubuntu 22.04 on VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.